Philippines and Vietnam just both hit the upper middle income classification this year. Both countries are big players in Southeast Asia, as each of their population exceeds over 100 million. Upper middle income is obviously a great achievement for border countries. But still, the Philippines and Vietnam represent a different story of growth, with Vietnam outpacing the Philippines. Why is that? Vietnam hit the lower middle income classification in 2009, which is the 1 year before the current upper middle income classification. So Vietnam upgraded in 17 years. The Philippines hit the lower middle income classification already in the year of 1987, and it took almost 40 years for the Philippines to graduate from that year. So what did Vietnam do better than the Philippines? Vietnam has been heavy on the export sector. Their country's exports amount to an astonishing 105 to 107% of their GDP, while in Philippines, the export sector amounts to 27 to 32% of their GDP. So there's a clear difference. Philippines has been relying on overseas Filipino workers who send money home, and also to the business process outsourcing sector. These inflows of money fuel the economy, but does not necessarily lay the foundation for economic diversification. The strategies varied. Vietnam has been building factories, while Philippines has been building car centers. Big global companies like Samsung have invested in Vietnam and turned the country into a global electronics manufacturing hub. And also, Vietnam has also their own big companies like FinFast. What's your thoughts about this? Put in the comments. See you in the next video.